Alright, so let's start with question 1. It says the nth term of an arithmetic series is an where a10 equals a10 plus a11 plus a12 equals a29. On the other hand, it says a19, a20 and a21 equals 237. Find a1. So as an is an arithmetic series and it's an nth term, that means over here a10 means they're talking about 10th term, a11 means 11th term, and a12 means 12th term. Now we know that in an arithmetic series, to find any term we have to use this formula a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is our first term. So in the question, as they are asking for a1, that means they are looking for a, which is the first term. Now a10 means they are talking about 10th term. So if we substitute n as 10, so 10 minus 1 will become a plus 9d. So instead of a10, we can write a plus 9d. Instead of a11, we can write a plus 10d. And instead of a12, we can write a plus 11d. If we simplify, we get thrice a plus 30d equals 129 as stated in the question. So from here, we can find our first equation, which is this one. That's our equation 1. We can do the same thing to find our equation 2. A19 means a plus 18d and then a plus 19d and then a plus 20d equals 237. So from here we can again find our second equation. As we have two unknown here, a and d, to find the value of a, we have to use simultaneous equation. So from here we can use our second term. We can write the second equation first because the values are greater over here. And then we can write our first equation. So that's equation 2 and that's equation 1. When we subtract this, 3a minus 3a, 57d minus 30d, we get 27d, and then equals 237 minus 129 will be 108. So if we write this line, we get 1 mark over here. Method mark, M1 means method mark. So we are going to get 1 mark for method. And then after finding the, from here we can find the value of d, and the value of d will be 4. Now, as we have already found the value of d, when we substitute this value of d into any of the equation, any of these two equations, we can get the value of a. For example, thrice a plus 30, instead of d, we are going to write 108 divided by 27 equals 129. If we use equation 2, from here, when we substitute, when we try to find the value of a, from here, when we substitute the value of a, we can get the value, and that's going to be a equals 3.